I'm out here at my place in West Texas. We're working on the leadership camp. We're putting in a mortar pit. Well, today we're purposely gonna do what normally in mining you wouldn't wanna do. We're gonna have what's called fly rock. And that is when you overload a hole or you don't tamp it enough, a lot of the rock will fly all over the place and it can create a real hazard in a blasting situation. I'm gonna load this hole with 5 pounds of my binary and we're gonna tamp it. And hopefully when it goes off, it scoops a lot of the rock out of that hole, cleans it up for our next work trip when we come out here to put in machine gun nests, sniper positions, and more mortar holes. We're gonna put the charges down inside there, pack them in with some of this lighter rock over here. After this shot is done, we're gonna have a nice hole blasted out here that when I bring helpers back, my kids, they can take these shovels and dig that pulverized rock out and it'll give us a ledge to continue to drill and blast.